Hey there! Today we're diving into an interesting problem that you might encounter while working with spreadsheet data. The problem we're tackling involves comparing two cells to determine the position where their values are the same. It's a common situation that can arise when analyzing data sets. Now, let's see how we can solve this tricky little problem. So the solution to our problem involves using a couple of nifty formulas. The first option utilizes a formula that involves comparing the characters in each cell position by position. This formula calculates the number of matching characters between the two cells. It's a clever way to determine the similarity between the cell values, providing us with a clear and concise answer to our problem. Moving on to the second option, we have a different formula that makes use of the FIND and TEXTSPLIT functions. This formula hunts for the first occurrence of a specific substring within a cell, which in this case is the content of the other cell. By leveraging these functions, we can pinpoint the exact position where the two cell values start to differ. It's another effective method to tackle our comparison problem. In summary, we've explored two handy formulas to compare cell values and identify the position where they diverge. These solutions provide us with valuable insights into the data we're working with, helping us make informed decisions based on our analysis. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful and insightful. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you.